Hi guys, today we're going to see how I paint Death Riders. I use Rhinoxide to base coat all of the horse, the leather parts and the stick for the lens. Then I use Night Lord's Blue to base coat the saddle and the trench coat. We are gonna use Morga's Bone to base coat the mask for the horse. Then we're gonna use Mephiston Red to base coat the little flag on the lens. After that we're gonna use Leadbester to do all the metallic parts. The little pipes, the little container, the sword, the second container, the armor plates, the mask. And the armor of the Krieger. We finished all of the base coats. Then we're gonna use Contrast Flesh Terror Red to shade the flag, a little bit of Skeleton Horde to shade the mask. After that we're gonna use Mournfang Brown to do all the muscles of the horse. Try to not put it on the deepest part. We're gonna add some Deathclaw Brown to the mix to highlight even more the horse. We're gonna use this mix for the leather part of the boot, try to put it on the middle parts, and then we're gonna highlight all of the boots with Mournfang Brown. You should have a result like this. Then we're gonna shade with nail oil gloss for all the metallic parts. We are gonna use Morga's Bone again to do a little highlight on the mask of the horse. We're gonna push this highlight with White Scar. When it's done, you should have a result like this. We're gonna use Evincel Scarlet and Lugetan Orange to highlight the little flag. We're gonna use Thunderhawk Blue to highlight all of the coats. Then we're gonna use Fenrisand Grey and add it to the mix to highlight even more. Try to build on what you've already done. Then we're gonna use White Scar to highlight all of the coats. When it's done, we have finished all of the big parts of the mini. We're gonna use Balthazar Gold to add to the Aquilas and the helmet. We're gonna add dry brush some Stormhost Silver to all of the metallics. Then we're gonna use Fenrisian Grey to highlight all of the black parts. And push the highlight with White Scar. We are going to tackle the gas mask with Morga's Bone. Try to do some little tricks. And we're gonna push this highlight with White Scar. Then we're gonna use Mephiston Red for the eyes of the Krieger and the horse. Try to leave a little black spot on the lens. In this red spot we're gonna add some Evil Sun Scarlet to push the highlight and Troll Slayer Orange to do a gradient. We're gonna finish with Lugetan Orange on the edge of the lens and add some dots of white scar to finish. Then we're gonna finish all of the highlights with some hose silver for the lens, the pipes, and everywhere on the metallic parts. When it's done, you should have finished your minis and have a redo like this. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe, and remember, I have an Instagram where I put all of the pics of my paintings, and see you next time.